guys, it's Katie back with another video, and as you can see, I am riding my bike right now, and we're going down to the creek, so let's go, and y'all are coming with. Hey guys, we made it to the creek, and now I can officially introduce this video. Hey guys, it's Katie, and we are in nature today. It's the second video in nature. We just took a bike ride, and if you haven't seen my face on YouTube, I am Mayhew. I do anything from beauty to being out in the beautiful nature. So yeah.
You say beautiful nature is beauty. Get out of the creek, Luke.
I said beauty to beautiful natures.
Okay. Shout me out.
Why? Alright guys, so a little shout out, two shout outs actually. Right here is, but I'm not shouting at you.
Okay, shout out me.
Right here is the video game master, aka JB Mayhew.
Y'all should know JB, in case anyone doesn't know JB.
Hey guys!
H-E-W.
Okay guys, and then this is Luke,
JB.
and it's Luke Mayhew Vlogs. So yeah.
Will you link the videos in the description?
No. I shouldn't shout at you because you never shout at me.
I do. This is where we found our first snake out here.
Yeah.
We found a snake that caught a fish, and it was in this exact creek, and it was right there on that rock, that wet one.
Alright guys.
Luke, where did you get that one?
You want to go to location number 2?
Let me have the.
Do y'all want to go to another location? Hey, stop! Y'all want to go to another location?
I guess.
The other creek? Or pond, whatever. Alright guys, we're gonna do...
Ow, that hurt.
Oh, JB, I realized when I did, what's it called?
Vlog?
No. What's it called?
Cyber jump?
Yeah, when I did a cyber jump, my phone was upside down. So when we got, if you haven't seen that video, I got stranded doing a cyber jump. So, yeah. Always fun to get stranded, but we're going to do another cyber jump, and we're going to go on to location number 2. Wait, hang on. Oh, no, dos. Yeah. Location number 2.
Katie.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this ant mound JB just found by lifting up this rock.
Oh, why? Should we take all these ants home?
No! Look, he lifted up that.
Oh, they're all over
and he found that.
I know, I found the little one.
Okay, this hair is killing me. Should we stand on the mile road and see if any? Look at this beautiful. Okay, so that one's very noisy over there. But I really wish that my house was the house that sat on this pond. It's so pretty. But guys, over there in the distance, that house, it sits on this beautiful pond. Yeah, it's really gorgeous. There's so many geese. I was walking my dog one day, and their dog, the one that lives next to the pond, they started coming out and started playing with my dog, so I let him off the leash. And I was like, you better stay here. And he just started running around and stuff. And he was playing with them, but their dogs got in the pond, and my dog started licking the water. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. And then this horse, and then that,
Yes, they are.
and then that horse came, and my dog started barking at it and acting like it was bigger than it and could hurt it, and it tried to basically bully it and fight it.
Don't let those ants
What
get
the heck? Something just went in my bra.
Don't let those touch you. One just bit me.
We should have let them touch you in the first place. Were they red?
Yeah. They were biting me.
They're fire ants, you dumb wit.
No, they were like
Alright guys,
black ants.
we're going to go to another location. Okay guys, you ready? Y'all all want to do a cyber jump with me? I'll just do one by myself. Let's go down to this beautiful creek and cyber jump. Oh my gosh, there's the dog. Let's see if I can get it. Can y'all see it? I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get closer. Here, puppy. Ugh. Okay, let's see if I can get closer and let it videotape it. Let me videotape it. gosh, it's like. Okay, let's see. Can y'all see it? I don't know if you can see it. Alright, guys. What the heck is that? What the heck? Guys, can y'all see it? What the heck is that? It's his dog. Okay, that's what I saw. Hey, puppy! Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can see it. I don't know if you can see it, and that's the sucky part. Let's see if I can hold it. That dog right there. Right there. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's the dog that swam in the pond. Alright, guys. So let's go down. Okay, let's find a pretty... Oh, right here by this. Hang on. I'm going to cyber jump there. Already told you. Yeah, that's what fire ants do to you. It's in their name. Alright, guys. We're going to cyber jump by these beautiful trees. And 3, 2, 1. Cyber jump. Hey, guys. Okay. So, we stopped in a little bit. And look at this so cute German Shepherd. Oh, look at it. Hi, say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi.
I'm always scared. I know when you're walking, I'm not scared, but I'm always scared to come out here with the
Hi.
Just talk to him. Say, hey, Zeke. And he may just come out here and try to love on you. He's usually pretty good. I love kids. I love kids.
You're going to be a YouTube star.
I love loving, huh? Don't you, Zeke? I love loving.
Okay, guys, we just met a super cute dog.
Now you like your
Sit down, Zeke. Sit pretty forward. Sit. Good boy.
Move
He'll give you
out of the shot.
He'll give you 5.
Give me 5. Give me paw. Oh, you're
Give
so
her both up. Give her your
Give me your paw.
Give me your
Hey,
paw.
Luke, you do.
Sit down. Sit.
Give me your
Sit.
paw.
Sit, Zeke.
Yes, hang on. She has to
Sit
sit.
down. Sit. He's too excited. Sit.
Paw.
Paw.
Good
He's
boy.
like a big tall
Look,
buddy.
Give me pop. No. Give me pop. Give me pop. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Oh, here comes Car.
Oh, Kai, get the mics. Get the mics.
I got you.
Get it, Luke. Hair in my mouth.
That was your mom?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you said that was your mom.
No.
My mom's at the store right now. My dad's at home.
I love German Shepherds. They have one to leave.
All right, guys.
Still
You
puppy.
ready?
He's not even 1 yet.
Oh my
He won't
gosh.
be 1
He's
till
huge.
June.
He's huge to be not
I
even
won't be
one.
1 till June. I'm just a baby.
Probably smells
baby.
brownie on us.
Scared of his own shadow. If he ever scares you, just like stomp at him, tell him go on, and he'll probably tuck his tail and run. He's scared of everything. The other neighbors try to get him to come over and pet him, and he runs off from them. You're scared of your own shadow, aren't you? Say, I'm not a ferocious puppy. I'm scared of my own shadow.
Yeah, she got rid of him because they called him
So
Sugar
cute.
because he acted like he got sugar every day. He was crazy. You couldn't get him to stop. And
Say hi to the YouTube channel.
then
Give me your kisses.
he would get scared at his own shadow. He'd go up to the stove and he'd see his shadow and he'd start barking and run.
so
And bark, come back and bark and run. And
All right, guys, you ready to go on?
okay. Thanks for letting you pet him.
Sure.
Thank you. Have a nice night.
Yeah, he was.
Guys, we just met this super cute German Shepherd. If you did not know what type of dog that was, she's our neighbor, and she just really likes German Shepherds, I guess. Thank you. Okay. All right, let's see. Wait,
I had him spit all over him.
hold this real quick. Okay. Alright.
Hey guys.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys, that was just a little cyber jump to it there because I saw it and I decided to cyber jump because I can see where I'm cyber jumping. So let's really cyber jump to the second location. Location number 2. 3, 2, 1, cyber jump. Alright, guys, we made it to the second location and we cyber jumped 2 times and did not get stranded today. So that is a good thing. Look how high this creek is. Like, look at that. It'd be much easier if I had a drone. Just fly over the creek. But that does look like it looks like. And my brothers, they decided to go on home. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to stop biking. I'm going to start biking. And I'm not going to stop because it's very peaceful. Oh, here. It's very peaceful. It clears my mind when I get bike. So, yeah. It's so peaceful out here too. I guess that's why they call it Peaceful Way. West Peaceful Court and East Peaceful Court. I wonder how cold the water is. It's really warm outside, but I should go down on that gazebo. But I don't know if I'm allowed to. I mean, I want to, but it's so peaceful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So relaxing. But yeah, that clip you saw before this of us with the dog, he's a sweet dog. His name's Zeke. He's a 7-year-old and or 1-year-old in dog year. I mean human years. He's a couple months older in human years. He's like 2 months away, I think, from being 1. So yeah. We just stopped and kind of just talked to the owner. So I was like, what's up? Pause this clip and then we'll see where it takes me from here. See you in a minute, guys. Or a minute for you. A couple minutes for me. Alright. Oh, hey guys. I didn't see you down there. Sorry. It was just the time that y'all saw the clip before this and this clip. I was just sort of throwing stuff, chillaxing. I actually laid back and fell asleep for a little. But right now, this video is 13 minutes long, and I think that's good enough to end it. What do y'all think? I think so. This is one of my longest vlogs. But okay, I'll end it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't done so yet, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this video with all your friends and family. And comment of the day. Who is your favorite superhero? Between Wonder Woman or Captain America? I would like to know. Just thought of that because the new Avengers Infinity War is coming out and I'm so going to see that. But that is besides the point. And again, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you laughed during this. I hope you had a great time. I hope you had fun. And I hope you come back and see my face on YouTube again. And until next time, peace on the streets. Sign. Bye, guys.